Different from animals which can freely move, plants can only stay at the same spot and silently endure all kinds of life-threatening incidents, such as ultraviolet rays, wind, rain, animal attack, and so on. Plants have special power inside. Plant stem cells, the immortal cells, are the origin of plant vitality, in which the growth and regeneration of the plant is programmed in its entirety. However, the impossibility of plant cell isolation had been an established theory in the scientific academia. In spite of 160 years of research, none had succeeded in isolation and culture of plant stem cells, because they have thin cell walls and can be damaged easily during sampling. In 2005, Tumbuhan succeeded in the world's first isolation and culture of plant stem cells. In 2010, the research outcome was published as cover thesis on Nature Biotechnology, which created quite a sensation across the world. The article published on Nature Biotechnology genetically confirmed that Tumbuhan's plant stem cells express robust defense response against environmental stresses. Thanks to this special function of plant stem cells, they can generate various active substances to overcome the extreme environmental stress and enable plants to survive in extreme conditions. Tumbuhan's research team focused their research on the characteristics of plant stem cells and succeeded in fast and low-cost mass production of natural active substances, which are known to be good for health, but too rare and expensive to get. Plant stem cells are ageless cells with amazing regeneration powers, which can reproduce and proliferate itself. With plant stem cells, Tumbuhan's research team has developed highly effective natural ingredients that have the same or better performance than existing well-known substances. Further, the active substance production utilizing plant stem cells is an outstanding high-quality production system. Plant stem cells have a large number of mitochondria, which are known as the powerhouse of cells. Sufficient energy supply enables rapid mass production of active substances. Moreover, cultured plant stem cells are composed of the homogeneous cells, which can result in high-quality production for active substances. Constant quality control is also possible. Utilizing various characteristics of plant stem cells, Tumbuhan is developing novel botanic drugs, as well as biomaterials for pharmaceutical, nutrition, and cosmetics, and actively pursuing commercialization with the world's leading enterprises. With creative inspiration and conviction, Tumbuhan's research team has taken the first step to achieve the dream of promotion of health and extension of human life. Tumbuhan has branded plant stem cells Tumbuhan, which means another star, to brighten up the world just as a glittering star in the night sky. Plants hold nature's boundless vitality. Tumbuhan puts the dream of life into Tumbuhan. Technology which gives the vitality obtained from nature to humans and has infinite potential to brighten the future of mankind. Everything starts from here. World's only plant stem cell, Tumbuhan.
Professor Gary Loke from the University of Edinburgh has recently published his research on these cells in Nature Biotechnology journal.
Plant stem cell is a cell that has the abilities to both replenish itself by cell division and also to change into a variety of distinct specialized cells.
These multipotent cells are located in the tips of a plant's roots and shoots, and also in vascular tissue, but they're notoriously difficult to isolate. Researchers at this company have managed to isolate these multipotent cells and name them Tumbuhan, or New Star in Korean.
And this has never been accomplished previously and is a major breakthrough in plant biotechnology.
They now hope to grow ginseng cells in a lab instead of hunting for them in the wild, making life a lot more convenient for fans of this rare medicinal root. But it seems this scientist is not quite ready to share his technique with the world just yet.
I'm sorry, but top secret.
Once the researchers have these multipotent cells, they're then cultured in these jars, where they grow and grow and grow at an alarming rate. When they run out of room in the lab, over 1 trillion cells in a 250-litre tank are driven here for the final stage of the culture process. This is where they house the mammoth 3-ton tanks. These cells aren't your garden variety mould, they need food to grow. These special nutrients are added into the tanks and mixed for 10 minutes. Water is pumped in at a comfortable 21 degrees centigrade and gently aerated to keep oxygen flowing to the cells. The fussy cells are then emptied into a giant jacuzzi through a sterilized pipe. In case the aeration isn't enough, a computer-controlled blade keeps spinning inside to stop them from sinking to the bottom. 15 days later, a whole new batch of cells is ready for collection. It takes more than a colander to strain these minute cells, and that's where this giant sieve comes in. Pressure pushes the liquid out of the tank to a filter press.
이 구멍을 통해서 여기 안에 있는 한 톤 배양기 안에 있는 또별들이 지나가게 되고 이 여과포를 거치면서 배지는 빠지게 되고 이렇게 우리 또별이 여기 안에 고이게 됩니다.
4 hours later, dopule cake is scraped off the filter and collected in metal trays. But these soggy cells are not quite ready to be eaten just yet. This is not a Japanese capsule hotel, but a 200-kilogram freeze dryer. Bacteria are all around us, and they need a moist environment to grow. Freeze drying removes water from the cells, while leaving the structure and composition intact. Once dried, it can be kept without refrigeration and bacteria-free for many years. The ginseng powder is now ready for packaging. It's weighed and put into a bottle designed to keep moisture out. Under the cap is a little container of silica gel. These are little beads with a high surface area that allow them to absorb water. Any moisture that creeps in is quickly sucked up by the beads, leaving the powder dry and light. The bottles are then carefully hand-packed. And bingo, an ancient medicinal herb packaged for the 21st century. All this while, the master is still looking for his root.
Sun Century. Dedicated to building the happiest business sharing platform for the masses, Sun Century Group Company Limited, or Sun Century, is a subsidiary of Glory Group Holding. Glory Group Holding integrates the competitive advantages of its subsidiaries to the platform of Sun Century, creating an era of sharing economic and blue ocean business with its innovative business model. Sun Century strives to help everyone to benefit from the sharing economic model, thus contributing to society and improving their quality of life. We are a multinational company with a legitimate direct sales license. We insist on strategic cooperation with global enterprises that possess legal direct sales licenses, which rapidly promote the Sun Century model worldwide. Glory Group Holding. There are 5 subsidiaries under Glory Group Holding, namely Harmonic Paradise Group Company Limited, Charis Generation Company Limited, Philosophy of Successful Career Consultancy Company Limited, G-Mall Holding Company Limited, and Big Wise Company Limited. With its businesses spanning across the 3 continents of Europe, America and Asia, Glory Group Holding operates its own production and R&D base in Southeast and Northeast Asia, as well as a series of internationally renowned European and American brands. His Excellency Yang Amat Mulia Datuk Seri Tunku Baharudin is the chairman of the board of directors of Glory Group Holding. Graduating from the University of De Montfort, UK, His Excellency is experienced in the workplace and has a wide circle of acquaintances. So far, he has been involved in many businesses and industries, including an investment holding company and a shipbuilding and mineral mining company, principally as director, group advisor and chairman of the group. With his years of brilliant leadership in business management, he will lead Glory Group Holding to greater success by creating a win-win situation, helping the company to continue to be a power of enhancement to society. The 19th International Botanical Congress, themed Greens Build Future, was launched on July 24, 2017 at the Shenzhen Convention and Exhibition Center. President Xi Jinping sent a congratulatory letter to the Congress, while Premier Li Keqiang had also sent his comments to the Congress. Deemed as the highest and most influential international conference, the International Botanical Congress played an important role in the development of global plant science. Glory Group Holding was honored to have been invited to attend the said Congress and interact with botanical science experts from numerous countries and regions around the world. After the Congress ended, Glory Group Holding also inked a cooperation agreement with the organizer, the Plant Intelligence Holdings Limited. As a corporate pioneer in the development of plant intelligence, Plant Intelligence Holdings Limited preserves and supplies plant intelligence through global leading technology that opens up a new era in human knowledge on the uses of plant intelligence. The Honorable Chairman and Chief Scientist of Plant Intelligence Holdings Limited, Mr. Yang Woo-jin, a Korean scientist, shot to fame in 2005 for his success in the isolation and cultivation of plant stem cells. Known as immortalized cells, the plant stem contains all the ingredients needed for the growth of plants and is equipped with amazing regenerative abilities to allow plants to keep growing. The research results were published in a world-renowned scientific journal, Natural Biotechnology, and aired on the world's largest television entertainment platform, the Discovery Channel. Apparently, stem cells technology is recognized by the scientific community, finally breaking through the bottleneck of this biological field that has existed for 160 years. Mr. Yang Woo-jin applies this unique patented technology on food, medicine, beauty and other sectors, contributing to human lifestyle progression. Plant stem cells technology is unique in the world. Thus, Glory Group Holding is fully committed to this transnational cooperation. Both companies will work together to develop more plant stem cell products and enhance its usage in an effort towards building a new era of plant intelligence.
Pelaburan yang pelbagai di Asia Tenggara, Glory Group Holding Limited hari ini melancarkan penubuhan Institut Penyelidikan Sel Stem Tanaman pertama di rantau ini.
Selecting the right pond will enable you to catch the big fish. So choose the right trend. You have to follow the right trend in order to achieve success. The largest trends in the 21st century include the sharing economy, blockchain, mobile internet, direct selling and consumer capital, to name a few. Sun Century is able to seize the sharing economy trend and build a great business platform to gather talented people, allowing them to build businesses while helping communities as well as to enjoy their lives. Conclusion. We believe Sun Century's unique business model will create a blue ocean in this era of sharing economy. So let's work together to build the best business sharing platform. We wish to invite more people to join us as we build businesses, help communities and enjoy life. We would like to spread the ideology of owning together, sharing together and winning together. as well as the spirit of embracing kindness, upholding justice, and praising love to the entire world.